Hello friends, today again you will see that I am repeating, but I am not repeating, I am again come for next chapter. So I am happy that you are interested in my lecture and I will put you new things today also. And today is our chapter. I have just finished my chapter phraseography. So that has been completed. I think there is no any problem. Now today next chapter I will go circle of S and Z. So what is circle? Circle is the same which we make it, but here is not circle by that circle. So here is the meaning of circle is something. Something means circle is used for S and Z, S and Z, S and Z. So how it is made? That I will clear the point. Now the point is this, that when circle, why we use circle? Now we are coming from consonant to vowel, vowel to diphthongs, phraseography, and now we are staging up for our running shorthand. So we will come to the point that shorthand is now, we have completed these vowels, etc. So now again we will again sort out of that meaning. So that is a sort out means circle is used for S and Z. But it is not the question that we are removing S and Z. S and Z is still alive. But where it is applicable, that I will know through that by board. So here is the circle S and Z. Then what is circle? This I have already explained. That circle is used for S and Z for both the consonants. Circle is used, the same circle which is used in common language. So that I will telling you that what is circle and why we use it. We use for S and Z. Now there are 3 points are there. When there is no any vowel before S and Z. When, I am repeating, when there is no any vowel before S and Z, then circle is used for use of S and Z. And S and Z not finished. These will continue, but it divided. Stalks are divided and circle is also used in place of that, in place of these stalks. So here, when vowel is not used before S and Z, then circle is used like seek, sack. So when circle are used like that, ask. So it is because the vowel is used, then consonant is used. Here vowel is not used before the consonant, then seek. So here this will come seek. Okay? Circle is used for S and K is used for K, and vowel are used on the same place where it is required. Sack. Sack. Okay? Sick. Sick. It is used, circle is also used initially, medially and finally. So these are initially. Now sack. It is before. seam. It is before. Cask, it become between. Less, it's become final. Mess, loss. So it is in the final, middle, task. Laser, measure, like that. So it is come initially, medially and finally. Okay, they are medially, they are finally, medially, and so it is used initially, finally and medially. When, I am repeating, when vowel does not use before the S and Z, then circle is used. Number first. Number two, when vowel does not use in the final also. Here is also like lazy, because it is used final, then here less or less. Here is the vowel, then we will not use circle. So it is used when vowel does not use in the final, then circle is used. Vowel does not use in the initially, then it is used. So the circle is used for both consonants. Repeat, I am repeating. Circle is used for both the consonants, and it is used on the terms that when vowel does not use before or in the final, then it is used. Or vowel is not used in the middle or with consonants, then it is used. Now the second chapter is also here. Circle and consonants. Consonants S and Z. The same. It is just opposite of the same. Now I am completing. In book it is 2 chapters are there. Circle S and Z and stocks S and Z. It is just when consonants used when vowel is used before consonants, like ask, assume, assume, asleep, like that. When vowel used before the consonant, then consonant S and Z are used, not circle. Number 2, when triphone is used in the middle of the word, then circle are not used, consonants will be used, like science, okay. Then third, when vowel used in the final of the word, when vowel used in the final of the word, then consonant are used, not circle, like lazy, dozy, z. Okay, so when vowel used in the final of the word, then consonants s and z are used, not circle. So it is the same thing. Here is the circle, here is the consonants. When circle is used, then it is the margin of vowels only. Vowels are defined and it is made on the basis of vowel. When vowel used, vowel designated before, then these are things. So I have completed my dear 2 subjects in the one topic. Okay, so I think S and Z, circle and consonants will clear from you by my points. So thanks.